You play a song, it starts, it ends, and nobody in the room stops doing what they are doing. And it's not a nice feeling, and we've been there, and not because we played badly, but probably there was something missing, something nothing announced that something was about to happen. And in other words, a song, and even more when we play an instrumental, a solo flat picking song, we need a strong intro, an opening moment, announcing that something is about to happen and something that captures the audience attention. And so many songs have strong intros, vocal songs. If I think of Paul Simon, and yeah, he wrote so many great intro. They are so recognizable. They are short, right? But if I play that, you just go, all right, yeah, Sound of Silence. But not only Paul Simon. If I think Neil Young, he's also a great. And that's another example, right? Heart of Gold, Gold by Neil Young. And no, I'm not gonna play Stairway to Heaven, but that's another great example, right? So that's my point. We need to come up with a good idea, and this is what I try to do when I arrange Scarborough Fair. This is a favorite of mine, and I wrote this little idea. Let me play it once. So that's my intro to Scarborough Fair. And what's happening here? Well, this is short, right? And is repeatable. I'm playing three chords, A minor, and then A minor, capo 2, A minor position, and then I go up 2 frets. That's a kind of a B minor, and then I go back to A minor. This is a nice voicing for another A minor, and back to B minor. And everything is glued together by this common note, the open fifth string. Also, I'm using the same rhythmic figure, right? So again, what's the formula here? It's short, it's repeatable and recognizable. It doesn't need to be something complicated, you know. And many times you can play the intro, something like this, and then you can repeat the same idea at the very end of the song. So you can start and finish the song with the same idea. And that's exactly what I did for Scarborough Fair. Now, let me play the full arrangement here, and if you want to learn it, you can find it. You can find the tablature and the breakdown video, the full lesson, I mean, in the link below. But it goes like this. Let me play it once.